Hello, so in this video we'll be finding the equation of a linear function when we're given a slope and a point that it passes through. So to start with our first example, we're given the slope is 3 and our line passes point 0 and negative 2. Now we can use our point slope formula for this, is y2 minus y1 is equal to m, which is our slope, times our x2 minus our x1. Now our y1 is equal to negative 2 and our x1 is equal to 0 and our m is equal to 3. Now we can substitute it into our point slope formula, which is going to help us find our equation of our function. So y2 minus 2 is equal to 3 times x2 minus 0. Now I can expand this. Negative times negative, negative 1 times negative 2 gives me positive 2. Here I have 3 times x squared, x squared minus 0, sorry, this is x, sorry about that, 1, this should be x2, 1, x2, x2, so I only have x2, but because I have only one point, it doesn't make sense for me to have a y2, I can just represent it as a y, so y plus 2 is equal to 3 times x. So now if I expand this further, y plus 2 is equal to 3x, bring my 2 to the other side and it becomes a negative. So my equation is y is equal to 3x minus 2. There we go. Moving to another example when we're given our slope and our y-intercept, and we have to frame it in a form of y is equal to mx plus b. And in y is equal to mx plus b, we know m is equal to our slope. We know b is equal to our y-intercept. And because we're given both these things, I can substitute m for 12 and b for 4. There we go. That's my equation of my function. Pretty straightforward. Third one's a little more complicated. We're going to use our point slope formula here as well, which is y2 minus y1 is equal to m times x2 minus x1. Let's make sure that's alright. Perfect. And now I know my m is equal to negative 3 over 4. y1 is equal to negative 2. x1 is equal to negative 4. x1 is equal to negative 4. So now I have y2 minus my y1, which is negative 2. My m, or my slope, is negative 3 over 4. x2 I do not know. x1 I do know, which is negative times negative 4. Now I expand this. So y2 plus 4 is equal to negative 3 over 4. Let's make these bigger brackets here. I have x squared. Sorry. I have x2 plus 4. Now because I only have y1, I can say my y2 is just y. So there's no sense in writing y2 because I don't have a y, I don't have an x1 or a y1 anymore. And 4. I can go ahead and expand this here. Y plus 4 is equal to negative 3 over 4x. Now here I'll have negative 3 over 4 times 4. My 4 and 4 can cancel out, giving me just negative 3. Now to isolate my y variable, I can bring my 4 to the other side. So I have negative 3 over 4x minus 3 minus 4. Final answer is y is equal to negative 3 over 4x minus 7. That's our equation of our function. So using the point slope formula, you can find your equation of your function quite straightforward, quite easy. So hope this helped.